This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. Stop the car. While this renovation is just what you're looking for and dreamed of. Wonderful wood floors welcome you with lots of light and windows in the spacious living rooms that opens to your oversized dining room or flex space. The kitchen is remodeled with granite countertops, eat-in kitchen area and appliances. The bedrooms are all king-sized with brand new baths, solida surface countertops, gorgeous new plumbing, lighting accents and closets. Well, just wait. Closet organizers in this walk-in closet so hard to find in South Highlands, you will fall in love. The back patio is covered and uncovered areas perfect for entertaining for the large table and chairs or your outdoor kitchen. Specific instructions in the agent remarks, please read. For more information.